This SRBC robot is a solution for repetitive tasks that need precision. Thanks to the Artica GPS on it, you can repeat some, for example, weeding action, seeding action with high precisions. So you can use it in market gardening, you can use it in a vineyard or any high-value crops system. SRBC robot is a very versatile robot with 13,500 euros starting price, so it's very accessible. You can use it, as I said, for market gardening, vine grower. What you can do with it is you can weed, you can seed, and you use the map to replay the work that you program in it. So for example, you seed with a GPS on your parcel, and then you can replay the work with high precision. So this robot has a particularity that you receive it on a pallet as a kit, and you have to assemble it yourself. On this way, you can have low price. As I say, you can buy it on the internet on www.talk.works. That's our website to buy it. You have it in a pallet. You build it, so it's low price. And the second advantage of it is that you can learn how to make a robot. And if you know, as a farmer, how your robot works and what are the limits of the robot, you can use it in a better way, and you can really have some benefits of the solutions.